Have you noticed how most people who say gear doesn't matter own expensive equipment? Or like us? You see, all these people that say gear doesn't matter, they say it because they've learned from their mistake and they bought a lot of equipment and now they think gear doesn't matter because they realize they could have done a lot of the things that they needed to do with the equipment they had before. But the thing is this, you don't realize that and you don't feel it yours, let's say, as a feeling unless you make that mistake yourself. But before going ahead and buying a new thing and having this realization, 6 steps to buy anything really. But I would love to focus more on photography related things because this is what I do. It goes like this. Number 1, the financial rule. Can you afford buying 2 or 3 times the item that you want to buy, like the camera, the lens, whatever it is? If you can, awesome, go ahead. I would say 3 times to be very, very safe. 2, it's also pretty good. Number 2, can you profit from it? Like you buying this new camera will make you any profit. It can be financial profit, it can be spiritual profit, it can be any type of profit. If yes, how fast? And is it fast enough? If no, then don't. Will buying a new camera or a new lens impact people's life around you in any negative way? You dropping 5K on a camera, how is that going to impact the life of the people that live around you? Your family, your girlfriend, your parents, your pet, Will you have enough money to take care of everything? If yes, go ahead. If no, I would say definitely no. Can this wait? And this is the hardest one because everything in life can wait for a little longer. But let's say that you don't have any necessity at the moment. You don't have any gig that's coming in the next few months. You don't really make money with the photography, so buying a new camera at the moment can wait. In that case, maybe wait a month, 2 months, and then come back again and do the same list and then see how it feels. And last but not least, will it help you in your life? Like you buying the new camera, will that help you in your life in any positive way, like any aspect of your life? Will it make you go out and shoot more? Will it make your life easier as a professional? Because buying a new camera will focus faster and more accurately, so you will work less. Will it increase the productivity when you work with your clients, or maybe image quality, or I don't know, whatever it is? Will it help you in your life? And if any of these answers is no, or it's negative, wait a few weeks, wait a few months, and then come back to the list and do it again until all the answers are yes. I would say this is a very safe way to understand when is the right time to buy something. And it's not only about cameras, it can be anything in life. Even taking a decision in life, this can work. I could be telling you every day from now until the end of the year, gear doesn't matter, don't buy that new shiny camera, don't buy the Leica, don't buy the new lens, whatever it is that you want to buy. It doesn't have to be a camera. But unless you go ahead and buy it and make that mistake, you will never know whether it is a mistake or if it actually improves your life. It's true that some people make mistakes and share that experience with people in order for the people to avoid making those mistakes, but it's not the same. It's just simply, it is not the same thing. My advice usually is to tell people to go ahead and buy that new camera, buy that new lens, buy that new whatever the fuck it is, because you never know. It might open new doors for you, it might open new opportunities, it might give you new inspiration. It also might be very, very wrong and you realize that you didn't need that and you could very well do without it. And in that case, you might even be able to sell whatever you bought and lose a few $100, euros, or whatever currency you're using. And then, at least you've learned a valuable lesson. And I think it's something that the human being will never be able to comprehend unless you bash your head against the wall. You will never be able to practically feel that a thing is a mistake. And if you still need more help to decide whether you should buy a camera or you don't know what camera to buy, what lens to buy, I've made a custom-made GPT that will help you look through your options and decide which one is the best, and it's completely free. Link is in the description of this video. Let me know what camera you'd like to buy, and let's have a chat about it.